Vice Presidents to join our commencement speaker, and you are members for the photo. Requesting the graduates to please rise. You will be joined by our commencement speaker and NADCO members for the souvenir photo.
Doctor of Veterinary Medicine degree.
College of Nursing candidates for graduation, please rise. Mr. President, I have the honor to present 140 candidates for graduation from the College of Nursing. I hereby certify that they have satisfactorily completed all the requirements for the degree Bachelor of Science in Nursing.
College of Information Sciences and completing candidates for graduation, please rise. Mr. President, I have the honor to present 122 candidates for graduation from the College of Information Sciences and Computing. I hereby certify that they have satisfactorily completed all the requirements for the degree Bachelor of Science in Information Technology.
College of Engineering candidates for graduation, please rise.
Resounding round of applause for Lutheran parents and guardians. Placing of doctoral hood and distribution of diplomas. Amy Camacho Abdul, Doctor of Philosophy in Biology, Ecology, dissertation title, Diversity, Distribution and Assessment of Butterflies in the Three Mountain Ecosystems of Mindanao, Philippines.
Zel Pimpin Alviola, Doctor of Philosophy in Biology, Systematics, dissertation title, Systematics of Order, Honorary, and Selected Sites of Mindanao, Philippines.
Zheng Shan Chen, Doctor of Philosophy in Biology, Molecular Biology and Biotechnology, dissertation title, Cloning and Functional Analysis of the promoter of a UBP, glycosyl transferase gene from Panax spicifolia.
Ting Chen, Doctor of Philosophy in Biology, Plant Biology, dissertation title, Quality Markers of Ecological Sustainability Distribution of Peludium majus papaviraceae in China.
Hai Chen, Doctor of Philosophy in Biology, Molecular Biology and Biotechnology, dissertation title, Interleukin-6 promotes tumor angiogenesis in prostate cancer through activating PRPF2.
Liu Gao, Doctor of Philosophy in Biology, Molecular Biology and Biotechnology, dissertation title, Changes of the Gut Microbiota in Anxiety and Depression Model, rats treated with gyrate Wendat reduction.
Zihua Guo, Doctor of Philosophy in Biology, Molecular Biology and Biotechnology, dissertation title, Screening of lactic acid bacteria in Kefir and its application in black rice fermentation.
Yang Fen Han, Doctor of Philosophy in Biology, Plant Biology, dissertation title, Response and Mechanism of Cardamine Osipincins brassicacin cation stress.
John Goho Hu, Doctor of Philosophy in Biology, Molecular Biology and Biotechnology, dissertation title, Isolation and Apoptosis Mechanistic Study of Anti-Tumor Component from Roideus Vicarus Beno.
Noel Eka Lagunda, Doctor of Philosophy and Biology, Systematics, dissertation title, Systematics and Distribution of Nepenthes L. Caryophyllostis nepenthaceae species in Mindanao, Philippines.
Ning Le, Doctor of Philosophy in Biology, Molecular Biology and Biotechnology, dissertation title, Effects of Polygala phalanx on the expression and phosphorylation of T molecules in PI3K mTOR signaling pathway in aging rats.
Na Li, Doctor of Philosophy and Biology, Molecular Biology and Biotechnology, dissertation title, Extraction, Identification, and Antioxidant and Environment.
Mayra Enrique Cagalitan, Master of Engineering, Energy and Environment.
Jair Bayuca Cahiles, Master of Engineering, Civil Engineering.
Harold Alforque Gonzaga, Master of Engineering, Civil Engineering.
Larry II, Dabico Leon, Master of Engineering, Civil Engineering.
Gilbert Franzuela Lubal, Master of Engineering, Civil Engineering.
Remy Nicolas I, Saka Canales, Master of Engineering, Civil Engineering.
Melbourne Bautista Otero, Master of Engineering, Civil Engineering.
Nathaniel Salivio Pilate, Master of Engineering, Civil Engineering.
Evie Gonzalez Reyes, Master of Engineering, Energy and Environment. Bachelor of Arts in English Language Studies graduates. Lyle Parumino Alcorin, cum laude.
Rogelie Seraphone Dapa Añasco, magna cum laude.
Bernette Jean Andoy Arroyo, magna cum laude.
Hines Suzette Ibarra Panaan, cum laude.
Ross Ann Gomez Cagati, magna cum laude.
Marlene Jane Manejero Alexerio, cum laude.
John Ebenezer Tabaha Capili, cum laude.
Clarme Jane Aro, cum laude.
Aisel May Ortega Celedonio, magna cum laude.
Queenie Grace Dotke.
Joanne Kate Tinambunan Eduave, cum laude.
Fe Angelou Tanyo Esoy, cum laude.
Janice Parado Gomotano, cum laude.
Irish Keith Ino Hamaguchi, cum laude.
Nori Ira Isabel Zamora Samoy, cum laude.
Angelica May Ranga Swove, cum laude.
Cheryl Moana Marie Domicilio Negativo.
Ella Caril Gwen Fabiana Lugay.
Mikey Rodriguez Macasopol, magna cum laude.
Rocky May Asubili Manuenda.
Ryan J. Rugay Molina.
Cheryl Juana Bundan Nueva, magna cum laude.
Ira Vanessa Nilio Unila, cum laude.
Anne Marie Rizzo Malabrica, cum laude.
Elaine Naduma Palarca.
Faye Grace Alzer Patayon, magna cum laude.
Abby Colleen Perez Frantilla, magna cum laude.
Aladdin Violan Quirol, cum laude.